Halloween is nearly upon us, so let's draw Leatherface. Gruesome. Texas Chainsaw Massacre. I have never seen this film, I know. Can't be a horror fan enough to not see this film, I know. But still, I know who he is. So let's try and draw this. Landscape page, pencil eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. So we're going to start with those cut out holes for eyes. And his head's kind of leaning, so it's that sort of famous photo of him. So let's try. We'll just do a hole, a bumpy, weird hole, right? And then, so we'll do another one up here. So the eyes are like in this line. And you will just color them black. So he's got weird drawn on eyebrows, like just above the eyes here, right? They look drawn on anyway. And they're just black as well, right? So like cartoony sort of large eyebrows. Black drawn in, kind of like that. And then there appears to be, are they eyelashes? It's very dark, so it's hard to see them. They could be eyelashes. I don't know. All right, so we'll go this way. We'll do an eyelid line just around here. And like another little sort of, like everything's kind of crinkly and weird, and yeah, there's all these frowns and stuff coming around. So like wrinkly skin, texture lines and all this. Okay, maybe like a bump over his nose here. Boom, 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 boom. All right, and then his nose, so his nose kind of goes down this way, right? It's like the bridge of his nose. And then we have a nostril there and one on this side. And then the skin of it comes around here. And then around here. And then there's like maybe some hatching or something just on the bridge of his nose and some lines around the side of it. Like some cracks and wrinkles and stuff. And we joined the nostrils together as well. And I'll darken up the holes just here. So it looks like his mouth is like held open with, are they twigs? I don't know. So he's two mouths basically. There's like a cutout portion, so it goes like just across underneath the nose there. And then it like comes down around. It's kind of like a capital letter D sort of shape. You know, D turned on its side, right? And then it looks like there's twigs holding it open. I'm not sure if they are twigs. But there's like these little sticks or something, maybe stitching just coming down the side here. And then there's like, you know, the lip sort of wrinkles and stuff all coming around the leathery face. Leatherface. Okay. And then of course we have the real mouth in there, and he's got top teeth kind of showing, you know, kind of weird top teeth. So say like his mouth's kind of open, right? It's kind of like a pushed up top lip. It goes up and down, you know. like that. And then the bottom lip, so it like comes down this way. Dips in the middle and then comes back. Disappears into here, so it's just like black shadow kind of in around there. And in around the teeth. So we have teeth then. And the teeth are kind of spiky, it looks like. Well, one of them is anyway. And then smaller there. And then it's just like black shadow around. So gum line as well. You can just see sort of the top of his teeth there. And then I'll shadow this up, just go black around. Okay, and then we can just see like a little bit of his top lip. Just there, and maybe like a little suggestion of his bottom lip down there as well. It's like the real guy underneath the mask, that's his mouth. So then there's like skin folds, like the lip is like folded over itself here. And it's all like chin skin and weird stuff on here. I've seen clips from it, like it looks like ridiculous. But it's an iconic movie, I suppose. I wonder if I watched it now, would I laugh or would it be actually scary? So like side of his face looks like it's like just stitched and bendy and sort of weird, right? And it doesn't sort of join until it's the neck, right? So you have all these sort of wrinkles just coming around his face. You know, it's that kind of thing. And then the ear sticks out, right? But it's just like flat, strange, bumpy ear. And this may have like edge lines and textures and wrinkles and all on it. I suppose there'd be scratches and dirt and things. Blood, maybe. And then the other ear, again, it's a weird shape, you know, it just goes flattened out, sort of like this. There's all stuff in here, like weird wrinkles and stuff all in there. And then this comes down this way. This is like the neck that's on like the bag, I guess you could, if you described it as a bag. Oh, and he's got some thread. Right, so there's like ties, like rope coming out of like a hole, it looks like. There. And I'll put a shadow in here to make it look like a hole. And then the neck continues. There's all wrinkles around the bottom of the neck. There's more threads and stuff down there, but we'll get his hair done first, and like the forehead and all the stitching up there and things like that. So let's go up this way. That's like his round sort of head shape. You could get hair coming over bits of parts of this, like little just flicks of hair, kind of. Little sort of spikes every now and then. So like, just covering parts of his forehead. And then he has a ring of stitches. So like coming up from his cheek, you know, it just comes around. Goes under the hair. Around that way. And this has like Frankenstein, like connotations, you know, sort of stitching sort of lines every now and then, holding his face together. And then he's got like a big one here. This one seems to be slightly open, I think, so it's black in here. And then we got like, there's actually little dots, I think, either side, with some stitching lines coming over. And I'm gonna do a few more wrinkles and stuff just on his forehead here. Do 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 boom 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 boom. You don't have to do the sound effects. That's just something I do. So his hair goes this way. Now it's just like crazy messy, like spiky hair, basically. Like there's no real sort of pattern to it. It just keeps going sort of crazy, and so you just do like loads of spikes, really. Yeah, I kind of might go off my page actually a little bit. Do 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 do. So just keep adding as much as you'd like, really. Right, and it's black or dark brown. All right. So these strings down here that I mentioned, so we'll do these first. One there. It's like a rope or something. So you're just adding texture to the hair. Focus me. And another rope back this way. Wait. Yeah. Yes. And one more. I think this side actually. Just on the collar of his shirt, looks like. Like so. Okay, so like his shirt collar comes around his neck here. And I think his tie then, so the tie is like raised up, so it's like there, like a little bump. And then the collar goes in behind there. And then we just have like his real neck, his actual neck, like in here. And then the tie is kind of all crooked, sort of. Yeah, it kind of flops off that way, and there's like a little bit in behind as well. And then the shirt collar kind of just comes out to, it's under that actually, so that's covering. But what way is that one? So like this one seems to go there, and then in this way. And his shoulders just go off. So like a male shoulders is about the width of his head, so it'll go like out that far, you know. And so if his head was like straight, we'd be here, sort of down that way. And then he's got that sort of, there's like a button here, and then he's got that sort of butcher gear on, you know, the apron. Can barely see it. It's kind of just coming out from under his collar here, so you can just see maybe like the top of it a little bit. And the shoulder lines here. And then maybe like stains, blood, maybe blood splatter. Just tidy up maybe some of this. Leatherface. Happy Halloween. See you next one. Bye.